Why is the lion called the king of the jungle? Have you ever wondered? Well, today we're going to find out the answer to this question by traveling back in time to the Stone Age. Our ancestors used to live in caves and survive by hunting animals for food. Now, when they went out to hunt, they had to be careful because the same animals that they hunted could also kill them. But there was one animal that they knew they could take down, and that was the lion. So they started calling lions the king of the jungle, just like how today we call crocodiles the king of the reptiles, or how the ancient Greeks called the eagle the king of the birds. But that's not all. There was another reason why our ancestors called lions the kings of the jungle. It was because of their distinctive manes. The male lions had these big, thick, and luscious manes around their head and neck, which made them look very majestic and powerful. And this is very similar to how kings used to wear these big, thick, and luscious beards back in the day. So that's why our ancestors started calling lions the king of the jungle. Now, you might think that the lioness mane is just a bunch of hair that grows around the lioness head and neck, but that's not true. You see, the lion's mane is actually made up of two distinct parts. The first part is the hair that you see on the top of the lion's head, and the second part is the ruff of hair that you see around the lion's neck. Now, the hair on the top of the lioness head is very important because it helps to protect the lion from insect bites while it is sleeping. You see, when a lion is sleeping, it likes to lay down on the ground with its head resting on its paws. This makes it very easy for insects to crawl up the lion's face and bite it. But the hair on the top of the lion's head acts as a barrier, preventing insects from getting close enough to bite the lion. On the other hand, the ruff of hair around the lion's neck is very important during fights. You see, when two male lions fight each other, they try to grab each other by the scruff of the neck and shake each other violently. This helps to knock the other lion off balance and make it easier to bring down. The ruff of hair around the lion's neck protects the lion from getting injured during these fights. In addition, the lion's mane also helps to regulate the lion's body temperature. When it's hot outside, the lion can sweat through the hair on its mane, which helps to cool the lion down. Similarly, when it's cold outside, the lion can fluff up its mane to trap a layer of warm air close to its body. Now you might think that the lion's mane is only found in male lions, but that's not true. Female lions also have a mane, but it's much thinner than the mane of a male lion. In addition, the lion's mane is not just brown or black. It can also be blonde or even white in some cases. Now you might think that the lioness mane is just a bunch of hair that has no special function, but that's not true. The lion's mane is an important adaptation that helps the lion to survive in its environment. It protects the lion from insect bites, helps to regulate the lion's body temperature, and protects the lion from injury during fights. Without its mane, the lion would not be the powerful predator that it is today. And that's why, my dear viewers, the lion is called the king of the jungle. Now you know. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe for more amazing animal videos. See you next time!